You will now be working daily with a Fillon Technologies mixing machine equipped with the new generation motorization. Your machine has been installed by a qualified electrician. It is now connected to the electrical main line and is ready for use. The following will explain how your motor module works and all added features. When turned on for the first time, a green indicator light will blink rapidly. Press one of the buttons firmly to confirm. The green indicator light will stop blinking. The machine is now initialized. You may start your machine anytime you need to mix your paint toners. However, generally 2 mixing cycles per day are recommended. The motor module's mixing cycle time is pre-programmed according to the paint manufacturer's requirements. It is possible to voluntarily start the motor. Simply press on the green button for 2 seconds. These 2 seconds are needed to avoid any accidental starts by brushing up against the button. The indicator light will briefly blink in orange and then will blink in green. Your machine will now start its mixing cycle. You will notice here that the machine will start slowly and gradually build up speed until the full speed is attained. This process takes about 20 seconds and assures that both the transmission and the paint are preserved from aggressive immediate starts. To stop the machine, simply press the red button. Our new generation motor modules are also now equipped with an automatic mixing mode that allows worry-free mixing without any intervention needed. The pre-programmed mixing times have been established with and by the paint manufacturers and are factory set to preserve optimal paint conditions. In a large majority of cases, you can decide to automatically have the machine start 2 mixing cycles per day. To program the time of day your automatic mixing cycles will start at, initiate the following steps at exactly the time of day you wish the machine to start its first mixing cycle. Hold the red button until the blinking of the indicator light turns orange and then release the button. Then, press the green start button for at least 1 second. The indicator light will blink red for approximately 10 seconds. The start time is now recorded and the machine will begin its first mixing cycle at the same time every day. The second mixing cycle will always start every day at 5 hours and 45 minutes after the end of the first mixing cycle. Before every automatic mixing cycle begins, the indicator light will first blink red for 10 seconds. So to summarize, if the machine is programmed to start its first mixing cycle at 8 AM, the second mixing cycle will start at 2 PM or 5 hours and 45 minutes after the end of the first mixing cycle. If you no longer want your machine to work in automatic mode, to come back to manual mode, simply hold the red button pushed in until the indicator light blinks orange. Release the button and then push the green start button. The indicator light will light up a continuous green. You are now in manual mode. In the case of a power outage, when the machine is in manual mode, the indicator light will blink green rapidly. This will inform you that there has been a power outage and that the paint should be stirred. In the case of a power outage, when the machine is in automatic mode, the machine will automatically start as soon as the power comes back. Again, indicator light will blink for 10 seconds before starting. This means that the time for the first mixing cycle will have to be reprogrammed, as the power outage will have changed the start time. We recommend that you keep the operator's manual delivered with the machine at all times, in which you may find the instructions just given in this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you appreciate the added functions of our soft start motor.